Well, it's a soggy evening across the entire southeast. Check out the radar running from the Carolinas through us down to Florida. And it's all wet. Heavy rain moving in from south to north during the day today. Line of thunderstorms moving off the coast of Florida right now, though the thunder aspect's really going to stay out just to our east, out over the water. The wet aspect, the rain, continuing here as we zoom in. You can see the yellow's been working their way up through Hampton this afternoon, also over towards Beaufort. That's moderate to occasionally heavy rain. Down to the south, we've seen a bit of a break in terms of lighter rain affecting Hilton Head. And down through Tybee and Savannah, we've seen some green, which means lighter rain. But here comes another patch of moderate rain heading up towards the Veterans Parkway on the south side. So the breaks that we get are not stoppages in the rain, just lighter patches of rain, and then another moderate patch comes on in. Further west, Statesboro, moderate rain, a little lighter heading down Claxton and through Glenville and Hinesville. So this rain right here, not too bad. That's not going to accumulate very quickly, but some of the other rain can pile up enough to cause at least some temporary ponding of water on those roadways. So make sure to use extra caution. You're going to be out and about during the course of the overnight. Darien, looking at some rain, a little bit of a break there as you get down to Brunswick, and we are going to look at some lighter rain and some breaks trying to move up a little bit later on tonight. Temperature-wise, the rain has cooled us down to the 50s, and that's where we're going to stay here as we head through the overnight. Now, as far as the rain goes, right now we've got the rain heavy at times. As we get past midnight, the axis of heavy rain is going to move more off toward north through 3 a.m. And then on Saturday, it's going to be more up towards Charlotte and Fayetteville. Now, we're still going to have some moisture wrapping around, so some spotty light rain will be out there, but I do not expect any more rounds of heavy rain like we're seeing today and this evening. On Sunday, the clouds are going to linger, and there could be a few patches with light rain or drizzle, but again, very spotty and nothing heavy out there. So once the course can become playable after all the heavy rain we see tonight, it should be all right out of the Heritage. And the main issue is how much rain they see tonight, which could be 2 or 3 inches of rain, as the models are showing a lot of places seeing over 2 inches of rain, and other models have various amounts across different spots. So in general, 2 to 3 inches of rain, isolated spots, 4 to 5 inches of rain. That's a lot of rain. That's going to keep things very saturated. But again, after tonight, we're going to have much lighter areas of rain out there. So tomorrow, chance of rain when you wake up, but it should be a lot lighter than it is right now, 56 degrees. Temperatures reaching up into the 60s for the afternoon. Again, possible light rain. Breezy again, northeast wind of 15 to 20 miles per hour. Tides, including a high tide this evening at 11:22. And if there's any heavy rain falling near the coast at the time of high tide, that would make it easier for ponding of water to collect, because the water does not drain as well when they are at high tide. So we'll keep an eye on that. Your small craft advisory continuing on the water throughout the weekend. Here's the latest pollen report. Tree pollen and grass pollen are down. With the rain, the mold is up. Now, your storm tracker 7-day forecast has clouds throughout the weekend, a slight chance of rain on Easter, and then sunshine returning on Monday. Highs getting up in the 70s and looking warmer throughout next week.